Hi everybody. Today I have fetched one topic that is connected with doubt, that relates to doubt. How it can relate to doubt, I want to tell you. It is said, don't let your doubt into the cockpit. As I used to say, when you are in a cockpit, do remember you should have knowledge how to manage the things because you are in charge. And it is said, don't let your doubt into the cockpit. Why? I want to give you an example. You can tolerate a doubt as a backseater driver, but you can't put this doubt into the pilot's seat. And if you do it, so defeat is guaranteed. If it happens, and why it happens? Because we do not remember we have been always through difficulties. That's why when we don't remember these things, we we lose the battle, we lose the war. But once we remember we have been through difficulties and survived to fight, so what happens if you keep thinking like this? So you are shifting one conversation in your head, and once you start shifting the conversation in your hand, so what happens? Your all doubts will not be eradicated. It will help you to control the doubt. It will help you to manage your doubt. Most of the people in mid, they leave themselves, they step back because they don't want to stay focused. They never focus on taking each and every single step to achieve the task. If they do it, so it means they are getting the efforts to master the mind. They're getting an opportunity to master the mind, but they do not do it. They leave it. Why do they do so? Because they know very well the task which they are gonna get, it is not gonna end. It will never ever end. So those people who think the task will never end, so they step back. And when they step back, so it shows they are the slaves of their mind. And when they are the slaves to their mind, it means they are not going to take the single effort. And when it comes to master the mind, master the thought, they never take any single step because they know the task is not gonna end. And they one thing also in their mind is, it is impossible to get every right thing every time. It's right. I do agree that it is impossible to get right every time. But how we can make it possible? When you take the single step, when we take the single step, because we will not get the right thing every time unless we take the single step. In this way we can master the mind. We can improve to manage our doubts. So this is a thing which I really wanted to share with you all people. Thank you guys. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been training the people to speak English flawlessly and fluently. Sometimes some people have the problems in interview session, so I have been training them to crack the interview with the confidence. If you are one of them, if you feel that you face some problems whenever you sit opposite an interviewer, how you can get the remedies, we will help you. We will train you to crack the interview. We will tell you how to optimize the communication. So if you feel, you can join us. I have been training the people in Jeet Pinnacle Institute for 18 years without fail. If you think you wanna get your problem solved, do join us, because here we train people through 11 elements. And what are the 11 elements? They are the personality development, personality grooming, group discussion, public speaking, podium session, and many more. Personal interview, extempore. So we are gonna tell lots of things when you join us. And I have been taking everyday online live sessions where I have been training hundreds of students every day online. So if you want yourself to be trained by us, do join us. Thank you guys for listening to me. Do subscribe to my channel. My contact number is 9373537363. If you have any problem, please message me on my WhatsApp number, and my helpline number also is there, 86570 So please do join us, get the problem solved. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.